Imagine craving a delicious dessert but lacking the time to bake. Enter the no-bake cheesecake. Simple, quick, and utterly scrumptious. This no-bake cheesecake is a game changer, offering all the creamy, rich flavors you love without ever having to turn on the oven. Start by gathering your ingredients: cream cheese, sugar, vanilla extract, whipped cream, and a pre-made graham cracker crust. With everything laid out, let's get mixing. Begin by combining cream cheese and sugar in a bowl until smooth and fluffy. Pro tip: ensure your cream cheese is at room temperature for easy blending. Next, add a splash of vanilla extract and gently fold in the whipped cream until the mixture is well combined and has a luxuriously creamy texture. Now it's time to assemble. Pour the filling into the graham cracker crust, using a spatula to spread it evenly. For the best results, chill the cheesecake in the refrigerator for at least an hour. This step is crucial to achieve that perfect slice. As the timer ticks down, consider your toppings. Fresh berries, chocolate shavings, or caramel sauce can elevate your cheesecake to new heights. Finally, serve up a slice of your no-bake masterpiece and relish in the ease and speed of this delightful dessert. Enjoy.